Hey you, I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston. So after a crazy couple of years, it feels like we can finally start spending some much needed vacation time somewhere that's not at our local park or in our neighbor's backyard pool as they run errands. However, before you pack a single thing, because screw those extra lines and check-in fees, right? The first thing to do is determine what you should bring. You'd be surprised how many of my clients just throw a bunch of random items into a suitcase and hope for the best, except they're missing a shoe, packed a pair of neon green shorts for bottoms, and they have no extra underwear. So check the weather forecast for wherever you're traveling to in advance so you can be strategic with your wardrobe choices. Next, you want to pre-plan outfits. Think of your suitcase as like a mini capsule wardrobe where items should be able to pull double and triple duty. This will allow you to easily mix and match your clothing to create different outfit combinations. But how exactly do you choose these particular items? Well, I'm so glad you asked. So I like to start with pants. Packing some chinos and or dark wash jeans is a must as they can be dressed up and down. Wear with a t-shirt and sneakers for a casual look, or add a sports coat or suede trucker jacket on top and some loafers for a dressy casual look instead. An Oxford button-down shirt is also super versatile. It can be layered over a tee, unbuttoned, and sleeves rolled up, or worn on its own or underneath a jacket for a business casual look. So those are examples of items that can pull double, triple, sometimes quadruple duty. So before we go even deeper into my packing tips, if you're looking to take your traveling experience to an even greater, not to mention more stylish, heights, then look no further than the Carry On Pro suitcase by the sponsor of this video, Carl Friedrich. So Carl Friedrich and I go way back, and if you're unfamiliar with their work, they specialize in luxury leather goods designed for long-lasting style and functionality. I first started using the Carry On Pro a few months back, and before that I was using their original carry-on luggage for years, and it completely revolutionized the way I travel. The latest addition to their luggage line, it's designed for avid travelers, digital nomads, and busy professionals looking for a smooth and stress-free airport experience. I mean, who doesn't want that? It features a lightweight polycarbonate shell and zipperless aluminum frame with a hard shell knock pocket that's perfect for storing your laptop and important travel documents. Now, opening it up, you can see Italian leather lining, and the handy internal pockets allow you to keep your luggage easily organized. What's more, the Carry On Pro also features silent 360-degree Japanese spinner wheels. Carl Friedrich is kindly offering my viewers an exclusive discount, which you can access by using the link and code provided down in the description below. Thanks again to Carl Friedrich for sponsoring this video, and now back to our list of essential packing tips. So you've assembled the perfect selection of items to keep you looking good throughout your trip. Good job. It's officially time now to pack. Now, as much as it pains me to say it, if you're only bringing a carry-on bag, then you may not have room for your portable clothes steamer. I know, it really is a tragedy. Maybe you might have room though, maybe. But regardless, this means that we need to pack our items correctly in order to prevent those dreaded creases and wrinkles as best as we can. However, instead of folding our clothes like we would when storing it at home, the more effective method is to roll each piece into a shape that is smaller and easier to pack. And then I would place each item in one of Carl Friedrich's packing cubes to keep everything organized and tidy inside your suitcase. Now, rolling your clothes not only saves space inside your luggage, but it also prevents wrinkles, and there are so many videos on YouTube that clearly demonstrates how best to roll your individual pieces of clothing. Also, if you are bringing a second pair of shoes, then it's always a great idea to pack your socks tightly inside of them. This is not only a space-saving measure, but it also acts like a portable shoe tree, allowing your footwear to keep its shape without getting flattened inside your suitcase. So, your travel day has finally arrived. But what's that? You've decided to dress in your finest homemade tank top, kneeling forward shorts, and flip-flops to get into vacation mode? Hang on there, mister. You're not at the beach just yet. So when flying, I always recommend layering your clothes if you're heading somewhere with significantly warmer weather, as this way you can simply remove the outer layers when you arrive. Also, it's always a good idea to wear any outerwear or bulkier items that you might be bringing, like your jacket and baseball cap, as this will give you more room in your carry-on bag. Finally, one last pro tip. If you happen to travel a lot for work like I do, then I'd recommend picking up a decent luggage scale. This will allow you to weigh your suitcase at home without running the risk of showing up at the airport with a bag that's too heavy. We've all been there and we all know how annoying it is. And there we have it, some simple packing tips for you all. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.